Our best theory of time, which is relativity, doesn't explicitly forbid time travel per se. It might be that there are things we yet don't understand that will improve the theory, but it seems that there are ways of constructing scenarios within relativity that allow you to go back in time.
Traveling into the past seems improbable because time only goes one way, forward. Physicists call this the arrow of time.
The arrow of time is just the fact that you can always orient yourself moving from the past to the future. You remember the past, you don't remember the future. You can cause things to happen in the future, but you can't cause things to happen in the past. If you took a movie of things going on in your everyday life, like mixing cream into your coffee, and then you played that movie backwards, it would be perfectly obvious. Cream mixes into coffee, it doesn't unmix. That's the arrow of time.
The arrow makes time a one-way street of irreversible events, something we know intuitively from our everyday experience. On a pool table, you can break, but don't expect the balls to realign on their own. You can scramble an egg, but you can't unscramble it. The reason why time has an arrow is a fundamental law of physics that says all things in the universe move from orderly states to disorderly states.
As the universe gets older, as we move from the past to the future, all of the differences between the past and the future can be summed up by saying that the universe is winding down. The universe is going from being orderly, very neatly arranged, to disorderly and messy. So if you had a plate that was a nice plate that was put together and orderly, it breaks, it becomes more disorderly. That's very natural.
And if you try to restore order by gluing the plate back together, your actions release enough energy into the surrounding environment to create more disorder in the universe as a whole.